Did you know that nearly half of adults over 30 have some form of gum disease? That's right. This silent issue could be lurking in your mouth right now. And if you don't act fast, it could lead to serious problems. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects so many of us but is often overlooked: gum disease. It's super important to address it quickly, because neglecting those gums can lead to tooth loss and other health issues. But don't worry. I'm here to share 3 simple steps you can take at home to tackle gum disease effectively. So what exactly is gum disease? Well, it starts when plaque builds up on your teeth and irritates your gums. You might notice symptoms like redness, swelling, or even bleeding when you brush. If left untreated, it can progress to more severe stages, leading to receding gums and even tooth loss. Plus, studies have shown that gum disease is linked to other health issues, like heart disease and diabetes. So it's not just about your mouth. It can affect your overall health. That's why it's crucial to pay attention to those warning signs and take action before it's too late. Alright, let's get into the good stuff. The 3 steps to fight gum disease at home. Don't worry, here's the solution, do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues. From gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities, these amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection, and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth after brushing your teeth to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.